So this is the Parapocalypse Survival Cord, the Ultimate Survival Cord. It's not just paracord. This has 11 lines all in one. It's got your normal paracord with the 7 inner strands. It has waxed jute line, which is a fire starter, a kevlar line, which is heat resistant, and it is the red one. Then the Dyna X, which is the one I used in the fishing video for the stringer, the 10-pound monofilament fishing line, and then the inner cords, which I used in that video as well. So this is kind of wrapping up a review of this paracord. So we have some of the waxed jute here, and I'm just gonna cut a piece of this off. Now what you want to do is just untwist it. You can see how it comes apart in finer and finer strands. The finer you get it, the easier it'll be to catch. Typically, this type of stuff takes a few strikes of the Ferris rod or whatever you're using. Typically just build up a little bit of heat to get some of the wax to start melting before it takes the actual spark. Alright, that ought to be good enough. Now, obviously in a real survival situation, we would fluff it up a lot more, be more delicate, and take our time with it, make it nice and pretty. That is really hard stuff to see. Try to do this a way that you can see it here. Well, that's not going to work. Let me change my angle. Alright, that should have it heated. There it goes. So, it definitely burns. It's not singeing or melting in half. It's rated to 900. Let's stick it right in the flames. I am putting pressure on it. Oh, there it's starting to burn. There it goes. So it did burn. It is not advertised for direct flame. But just having that jute core, this stuff alone in a survival situation could be a lifesaver. So when you've got 10 or 20 feet of paracord that you're throwing on your backpack or whatever, spend the money. Yes, it's almost 3 times as expensive, but Always having dry tinder. This stuff is waxed. You can soak it in water. It's going to come out dry. You've got fine cordage, big cordage. Pay the $25 and get 100 feet of this stuff, you guys. Well worth it. I've caught fish. I've started fire. I've turned the Dyna X into a stringer. This Kevlar, you could suspend a fish over a fire, wrapped up in this, and cook with it. I mean, superior stuff to throw in your kit, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, enjoy the outdoors.